Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Waze ready. Install the app, allow location and notifications, then set your home and work addresses so routing learns your patterns. Once done, enable voice navigation and automatic map updates to get local traffic reports. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active and your phone is charged or on a car charger. This prevents route interruptions. Now open Waze, tap the search box, and enter your destination. Let Waze fetch live traffic before you move. With a destination entered, inspect the suggested routes and pick the one that suits your priorities: fastest, shortest, or avoid tolls. Tap route options to set vehicle type, avoid unpaved roads, and enable carpool lanes when relevant. Preview the estimated time of arrival and lane guidance so you know what to expect. If you prefer, set depart or arrive by to schedule timing. Make sure alternative routes are visible. This lets you switch if traffic worsens while you drive. During your trip, follow turn-by-turn guidance and trust lane prompts when approaching interchanges. You should actively report crashes, traffic slowdowns, hazards, or police to help others. Tap the report button quickly and safely. If guidance seems wrong or routes fail to load, first toggle mobile data or Wi-Fi, then restart Waze. Clear the app cache and settings if problems persist. If voice is missing, reselect a voice pack in audio and restart navigation to restore prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.